हेलो एवरीबॉडी। क्या आप भी एक जॉब स्विचर हैं या एक फ्रेशर हैं या फिर एक एग्जिस्टिंग जॉब में और आप चाहते हैं अपना आपको स्किल डेवलप करना या अपस्किल करना और लर्निंग समथिंग न्यू? देन क्लिनिकल रिसर्च and clinical data management, this is one of the best courses and the best videos that you'll come across. You'll come to know about what are the different free and paid resources, कहाँ से हम कोर्स कर सकते हैं अपडेटेड, कहाँ से कोर्सेज करना वैलिड है, बिकॉज कोर्स तो हर कोई कर लेता है बट लर्निंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट। कोर्स कभी भी सर्टिफिकेट के लिए नहीं करना चाहिए, उससे क्या सीख रहे हो, right? How do you what is a database log, hard log, soft log? How do you archive the data? What are the clinical study design, clinical protocols, investigator brochure? What are the different clinical documents, CSRs? So learning all of them from the scratch is important. So there are John Hopkins, Stanford, National Institute of Health, Socra, ACRP, Vanderbilt. These are some of the platforms where you can learn about the courses. This is a PDF of all 13 programs which provide you the different institutes and the duration, the cost, and the levels. So if you want a beginner level, there is Stanford course of Essential of Clinical Research. I would suggest you go for GTCIP, Good Clinical Practices. Then there is Clinical Research Coordinator, Clinical Research Associate, Clinical Trial Assistant, Clinical Data Associate, lot of courses. Courses should be also validated on the basis of mock test and exams. So जब तक आप उस exam को qualify नहीं करते, there's no use. So you get an example over here of different levels, the cost, the duration, and the institute. So data management and handling data, filtering data, sorting data, visualizing data, understanding data is very important. So one by one, we'll have a course that what exactly you learn. So clinical research requires a close hands-on practice on the protocol development, data management, the conduct, epidemiological study designs, and biostatistics. So these are the different, you can take a screenshot of all of these. And also I'm coming out with a series where I'll be telling you all एक एक करके about the different courses जो आप कर सकते हो अगर आपको एक अच्छा पैसा कमाना, अगर आप if you want to earn well, these are the some of the courses which you can adopt. Then city programs with the University of Miami. Then you have NIH, which is National Institute of Health, that provides you an adequate information about the IRB Institutional Review Board, about the quality assurance, communication findings, ICH E6R3, all of these things. Then you have the course from Coursera. Of course, these courses are very basic, but the one which is John Hopkins is a good course. You can go for it, where you learn about randomization, biasness, confounding, data integrity, adaptive designs, de-identification, quality checks, and the different softwares. You get a good practice. Then this is another course by the Duke University on bioinformatics and clinical research, merging them. So over here, you learn about the observational, experimental, interventional studies, ethical issues, the study designs. Then there are courses by the ACRP or CRA, CRC, CTA, different job roles and domains having different specialization like principal investigator, sponsor, study director, audits, quality auditing, right? Types of audits, prometric tests, all of these things. Then you have CCRP where you learn about the ICH E6, the investigator roles, safety protocols, informed consent, declaration of Helsinki. Over here, then you have the course for the CSCDM, which is the Society for Clinical Development Management. So you learn about GCDMP, good clinical data management practices, electronic data capture, what are the different, TMF trial master file, electronic trial master file. So all of these are free programs, all of these are paid programs. मैंने आपको दोनों ही बता दिया, अगर आपको जो भी करने आप कर सकते हैं, but these are good all programs which you can go for with good learnings. And do comment if you want me to make video on any specific particular topic. I hope कि आपको ये पूरे के पूरी सीरीज हमारी अच्छी लग रही है. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले, जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ for more such upcoming videos.